Wake up early in the morning.
Wake up early in the morning.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Do exercise.
Do exercise.
Wash your hand before meals.
Wash your hand before meals.
Eat a healthy breakfast.
Eat a healthy breakfast.
Drink plenty of water.
Drink plenty of water.
Pack your school bag the night before.
Pack your school bag the night before.
Says please and thank you.
Says please and thank you.
Finish your homework on time.
Finish your homework on time.
Share with others.
Share with others.
Read book daily.
Read book daily.
Be kind to animals.
Be kind to animals.
Always listen to your parent and teachers.
Always listen to your parent and teachers.
Help with household chores.
Help with household chores.
Use a napkin while eating.
Use a napkin while eating.
Keep your room tidy.
Keep your room tidy.
Take care of your toys.
Take care of your toys.
Brush your hair.
Brush your hair.
Help set the table.
Help set the table.
Chew your food properly.
Chew your food properly.
Speak politely to everyone.
Speak politely to everyone.
Respect others' opinions.
Respect others' opinions.
Wait for your turn.
Wait for your turn.
Wash your face daily.
Wash your face daily.
Don't waste food.
Don't waste food.
Says sorry when you're wrong.
Says sorry when you're wrong.
Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze.
Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze.
Take depth breaths when you feel upset. Take depth breaths when you feel upset. Follow instructions carefully.
Follow instructions carefully.
Don't interrupt others when they are speaking.
Don't interrupt others when they are speaking.
Look both ways before crossing the street.
Look both ways before crossing the street.
Take a bath or shower regularly.
Take a bath or shower regularly.
Eat fruits and vegetables daily.
Eat fruits and vegetables daily.
Take time to relax.
Take time to relax.
Don't hit or hurt others.
Don't hit or hurt others.
Stay positive.
Stay positive.
Recycle when possible.
Recycle when possible.
Share your knowledge.
Share your knowledge.
Use good posture.
Use good posture.
Be a good sport when you lose.
Be a good sport when you lose.
Eat meals together with family.
Eat meals together with family.
Say goodnight before go bed.
Say good night before go bed.
Don't talk with food in your mouth.
Don't talk with food in your mouth.
Appreciate nature.
Appreciate nature.
Help care for pets.
Help care for pets.
Speak truthfully.
Speak truthfully.
Be kind to others. Be kind to others. Respect elders and teachers.
Respect elders and teachers.
Greet people politely. Greet people politely. Turn off lights when not in use.
Turn off lights when not in use.
Take care of plants and animals.
Take care of plants and animals.
Control your anger.
Control your anger.
Help someone in need.
Help someone in need.
Keep a journal or diary.
Keep a journal or diary.
Use gadgets for a limited time.
Use gadgets for a limited time. To get more educational video, please subscribe Easy English channel and like and share it.